Morning guys, so this morning we're supposed to be starting the roof, but I've got in the van this morning and it will not go in gear. So all I've got is, I'll try and show you, it won't move this way, side to side, but it will go into second, and that's the only gear I've got. So it looks like I'm going to have to try and drive it 6 mile in second gear to mechanics, and we'll get that sorted, and then we'll see you on the job. See you in a bit, guys.
She's beautiful, talented to a point, and very, very spoiled. The loss of her family's fortune at the beginning of the novel means that, like any classic Victorian literary heroine, she's obliged to make her own way in the world.
Checking anxiously for likes. There's a lot of anxiety involved, and it's also a very precarious system of happiness, and I think that was central to Eliot's whole plan, and it's an incredibly difficult.
I'm just checking the picture of the roof because we need it 17 degrees or more, minimum of 17.
It was a really wonderful opportunity to gather together 3 other sisters and just sit and make some songs that really matter.
That'll do.
It seems like it's
Raining again. Well, I'm glad that week's over with. Getting that van to garage were a bit stressful, trying to do it all in second gear. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Next time we'll be doing some the brick gables and the soldier course. We'll get them doors in, concrete it, and hopefully we'll have it all concreted and enclosed in for Christmas. So that's what we'll be doing next week, guys. So if you like this video, give us a like and a subscribe. Cheers. I'll see you in the next one.